how to make $500 per day using crypto bots. Hey folks, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here, and I want you to listen really close here. Right now, cryptocurrency is on fire, and let me tell you why. People are not mining. People are not just buying Bitcoin. What they're using is what is called crypto bots. So what I'm about to show you is something that's going to blow your mind and build your bank account if you listen to the very end. I'm doing this. I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to show you how to set it up. And even with $1, I'm going to show you how to start using crypto bots, which is just basically automation that does all the work for you. So let's get right into it. Hey, go ahead and sub to the channel. Smash the like button, baby. Let's get it. Check it out. So check it out. Cryptohopper.com. Go to cryptohopper.com, and the great thing about it, it is free. You can use it for free. And the great thing about it, if you look under the features here, it basically has an automated trading format that will basically trade your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, your Shiba, Piba, Booba, Wesley. It doesn't matter. Whatever Bitcoin and cryptocurrency you have right now, these people, this site here, this bot, will do all the automated trading for you. So let's go ahead and get started here. And listen, pay close attention here, because if you miss out on a few steps here, you will make no cash, no money. But let me show you how easy it is. You see the pricing here. You may say, Wesley, I thought you said it was free. Check it out. Use the Pioneer free package here. I use this. I have a couple of people that have taught me how to do this. Just use the free account. Don't start spending money until you what? Make money. Let's go. So check it out. So you just go to get started here, okay? And what I like to do is log in with my Google account, okay? Your Facebook account, your Google or your Apple account, because it's really quick. It takes a couple of seconds to do, and the great thing about it, it is autopilot, and it gets done very quickly here. So check it out. Let's make some money here. Let's go. Smash the like button if you can see yourself right now making money with this bot automatically here. So first step you got to do is once you click and log in with your Google account or Facebook, you have to connect to an exchange, okay? So an exchange is nothing but Binance, Coinbase, right? You see here, we have Hubu, we have Xmo, we have Bivavo. Now, listen, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce this stuff, but I know how to make money with this, and you're going to make money as well if you follow through here. Now, listen, I have a Binance account, and I have a Coinbase Pro account as well. So it's up to you. A lot of you have Coinbase here, but we're going to use Binance for this video here. And all you need to do, once you select Binance, you click here to go to the next step. It's very simple to do. And then you go to Binance and get your API key. So I'm just going to type in a couple of numbers here. But listen, you go to Binance.com or you go to Coinbase. You just click on API. It's very easy to do. And just copy and paste the information here. Go to last step. Depending on what type of money and how you want to get paid, USD. If you want to get paid in Canadian dollars, it's up to you, right? I'm USD. I want money right now. I want that $500 per day. I hit finish here. And look, it's creating my first hopper. Smash the like button because this was easy, right? Because the hopper is the trading bot that allows you to make the money on autopilot here, okay? And the great thing about it, you're in. That's all it takes because you're already connected to your exchange. Does that make sense? Then all you do is you can look at your charts here. I love the charts here because basically you can see the money you're making and losing based off the bot. Remember, the bot does the work for you once you connect and start doing your trades here. So it's really cool. It's real simple. Smash the like button if that made perfect sense, okay? And that is that easy, okay? The more hoppers that you create, the more money that you'll make as well with the Crypto Hopper software here. Now check it out. Listen up and listen very close. I'm about to change your life. What if that was an automated Bitcoin bot, okay, that basically would do all this work for you, which means is, you know what, Cryptohopper is cool, but what if you had another automated software that does all that stuff for you? As a matter of fact, you don't have to spend one dime to make it work at all. That means that with this software, not only do you earn Bitcoin, it gets mined automatic for you, so you don't have to spend $8,000. That makes sense? Check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, but here it is. It's called Apollo 22. Now, listen, I know this sounds crazy, and I know some of you might not believe this, but some of you will. This is the first cryptocurrency genius software that turns $4 of Bitcoin into $346 in 24 hours. Listen, I know what you're thinking. That's impossible. Check it out. The person that created this, okay, the person that created this guarantees if it doesn't work for you, you can have all your money back, no problem. In the first 24 hours of getting Apollo 22, I'll leave a link in the description under this video. You will basically make Bitcoin every 24 hours up to $300 to $1,000 every day using this hack and this loophole within the blockchain. Hey, I would suggest to get it. If you don't get it, that's cool. You can always go through the loan process. But listen, you'll never see a software like this ever again. And as a matter of fact, they're about to fill up. So if you want it, get it now. Apollo 22, I'm using it right now with my Bitcoin accounts, and I'm making money on autopilot every single day. Imagine if you just took action right now and say, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. And if it doesn't work, get your money back. If it does work, cash in, leave your job, and start living the dream. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. I'll leave it a link. All you need to do is click the link in the description below. And listen, if you click it, if it expires, and if it doesn't go to this page, that means you're too late. I'm sorry. It has an expiration date here. But listen, if you click it right now, you get access to it. Thank me later when you start making Bitcoin every 24 hours. Much love, folks. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.